Well guys, it's super windy today, but I figured I'd make a cool little video. It's the WRX, and so I'm gonna do that today. We're gonna do a Burble tune video. I'm gonna try and do some on the top and in the middle. Last time I was here, I got kicked out and I didn't get any good footage, so I'm gonna try and recreate it today. And hopefully the wind allows it. I have all my microphone settings to deal with wind today, so hopefully it works, but we'll see.